Today we learn how to calculate the net profit ratio. Net profit ratio establishes the relationship between net profit and revenue from operations, that is net sales, and it is calculated as follows: net profit after tax divided by revenue from operations into 100. And net profit is calculated as follows: revenue from operations minus cost of revenue from operations minus operating expenses and non-operating expenses, and add non-operating and operating incomes minus tax. And the net profit ratio is an indicator of the overall efficiency of the business, and higher the net profit ratio, better the business. Let us discuss some questions related to it. Gross profit ratio of company was 25%, and it is not mentioned that this gross profit ratio is on revenue from operations or on cost of revenue from operations. When nothing is mentioned about it, it is assumed that the gross profit ratio is on revenue from operations. Revenue from operation means sales. Cash sales were 2 lakh and the credit sales were 90% of the total sales. And revenue from operations means total sales minus sales return. And the indirect expenses of the company were 20,000. Calculate the net profit ratio. The formula of net profit ratio is net profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. And first of all, we have to calculate the figure of total sales. And credit sales were 90% of the total sales. Let us assume total sales is equal to 100 and credit sales is equal to 90. Then cash sales is equal to 10 and total sales is equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Now from the figure of the cash sales, we will calculate the figure of total sales. If cash sales are 10, then total sales is equal to 100, and if cash sale is 1, then total sales is equal to 100 upon 10, and if cash sales is rupees 2 lakh, then the total sales will be 100 divided by 10 into 2 lakh, and the figure of the total sales will be 20 lakh. Then we need the net profit, and the gross profit ratio of company was 25% on sales. 25% of 20 lakh is 5 lakh. 5 lakh is the amount of GP, and net profit is equal to gross profit minus indirect expenses, and indirect expenses are 20,000. 5 lakh minus 20,000, 4 lakh 80,000. Net profit 4 lakh 80,000, and revenue from operations are 20 lakh into 100, and the net profit ratio is 24%. Now the next question: from the following information, calculate net profit ratio. Here revenue from operations are given 5 lakh, and we have to find net profit, and gross profit is given 2 lakh, and salary and wages, advertisement expenses, these are indirect expenses, and rent income, it is a non-operating income. Then net profit is equal to gross profit, that is 2 lakh, minus indirect expenses, that are salary and wages, एडवर्टीजमेंट एक्सपेंसेस एंड इंटरेस्ट. इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस जो है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड नहीं होते, एंड इनको हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में शो करते हैं. 45,000 plus 10,000, 55,000 plus 5,000, 60,000, and plus non-operating income, that is 60,000, and operating income is not given here, and non-operating expenses are also not given. So then 2 lakh minus 60,000 plus 60,000, that is 2 lakh. 2 lakh is a net profit, and revenue from operations are 5 lakh. Then the net profit ratio is 40%. Okay, next question. Revenue from operations are 8 lakh, and gross profit ratio is 25%, and operating ratio is 90%, and non-operating expenses and non-operating incomes are given 44,000. Calculate the net profit ratio. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशियो से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट माइनस operating expenses and non-operating expenses, and add operating incomes and non-operating incomes. But here non-operating expenses and non-operating incomes are given, but operating incomes and operating expenses are not given. So here operating ratio is given, and from operating ratio we will find the operating profit ratio, and from ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट में से अगर हम डिडक्ट कर देते हैं नॉन ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस एंड नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम्स, देन it is equal to the net profit. And as we already know that both operating ratio and operating profit ratio are complementary to each other, and total of both ratios is equal to 100. If operating ratio is 90%, then the operating profit ratio will be 10%, and from the operating profit ratio we will calculate the operating profit. And the formula of operating profit ratio is operating profit divided by revenue from operations. And here revenue from operations are 8 lakh, and operating profit ratio is 10%. Then operating profit after cross multiplying, the operating profit is equal to 8 lakh into 10%. Operating profit is equal to 8 lakh into 10%, that is 80,000. 80,000 is the operating profit, and we will deduct the non-operating expenses and non-operating incomes from it. 80,000 minus non-operating expenses 4,000, and add non-operating income 44,000, and the net profit is 1,20,000, and the net profit ratio will be 1,20,000 divided by 8 lakh into 100, 15%. And the next question, calculate the net profit ratio from the following statement of profit and loss of New Delhi Sales Limited for the year ended 31st March. Here revenue from operation is 2,50,000. It is given in the statement of profit and loss account, and the net profit is also given. It is very simple. We just simply put the figures. Net profit after tax is 2,30,000, and the revenue from operations are 12,50,000, and the net profit ratio is 18.40%.